Are you experiencing issues with Universal Control on your Mac devices in macOS using Microsoft Intune? Perhaps your mouse or keyboard isn't sharing correctly between devices, or AirDrop has suddenly stopped working. Often this issue occurs due to firewall settings blocking necessary connections. Let's walk through how to fix this using an account that has permission to manage the Microsoft Intune configuration and services. Before proceeding, ensure you've checked the following basics.
Are you signed in with the same Apple ID on all devices? Are your devices updated to the latest software? Do you have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and handoff enabled on each device?
Once you've verified these points, consider restarting your Macs about an hour after the changes we will apply. Remember, some Intune policy updates can take up to 3 hours or more. Also, ensure all devices run the same macOS version. The problem typically arises because a firewall setting blocks all incoming connections, disabling services like Universal Control and AirDrop. To resolve this, we will use Microsoft Intune policies to manage the firewall settings effectively. You must have permission from the senior management within the organization to modify settings within Microsoft Intune, and you must have admin rights to access and modify the Microsoft Intune service. First, navigate to the default compliance policy for macOS within Intune. Under System Security and Device Security, select Firewall options. Keep your firewall enabled and stealth mode active. Importantly, do not select the option to block all incoming connections, as this will prevent sharing services from functioning. Instead, choose Not Configured. Next, create a new security group within Intune. Add all Mac devices that should not have their incoming connections completely blocked. This group allows customized firewall management. Then create a new configuration profile using the Settings catalog. Under Networking and Firewall, set your preferences accordingly. Initially, enable Block All Incoming Connections for security. Then create an exception specifically excluding your new security group. For additional support, please visit www.itsupportforsmallbusinesses in london.net. Thanks.